This afternoon we're going to be looking at how to restore this pressing utility machine. It's been down for a very long time, and as you can see, the pressing arm is missing, the air filter is missing, as well as you can see all the hose. Everything here is just look at see all these things. Everything here is completely out of order. Everything is out of order, so we'll be bringing it to life gradually. We'll be connecting all the air hose, then getting all the wires connected, all the detached wires. Look at some of the wires. We'll be getting them, then connecting all the limit switches. You understand? The air valve. This is an air valve. Be connecting them. This a limit sensor, magnetic sensor. All this one will be connecting them. I'll be checking all the internal connection and see what we can do. It's comparable to this. This one is already okay and it's working. Look at the pressing iron. This one too has its own iron, just like this. These are the control of this one. Look at this is the control of this. We're getting everything connected, and the light fitting is missing from here. We're getting it connected and seeing what we can do as time goes on. Thank you. The first thing we need to be doing is to remove all the removables. Now I'm going to separate like the air hose. This is the new air hose. I'm going to be removing them one after the other, separating them. Look at this, separating them aside and making sure that everything is clear. Let's look at this side too. This side is let's see, this was open before. I'll open it and keep it aside for easy visibility. This is the controller. This is the controller for the controller for the blower and the so-called vacuum. These are some of the the air cylinders. Look at one. You see, this is the one that is one of the controls one of the pneumatic actuator. At this point, this is the air. This is the electrical block, terminal block. We'll be checking them one after the other. So the first thing, as I said earlier, was to remove everything that will serve as an obstruction to enable us work on the machine properly. Yeah, in continuation of this, you can see this hose has been connected already. So I'm still connecting some other ones. You can see all these ones have been linked. These ones too will be linked. All these ones are the pneumatic. This is the pneumatic valve that controls the lifting. You can see the up and lifting of this pressing arm. It's very, very important. One of the supply from the air filter, air water separator filter, is here already. We'll be getting the other one connected too very soon. These are German machines. German machines. And you know, German machines are known for their ruggedity and durability. You can see. So this is the steam generator by name Vient 2305. Without an air compressor, this machine will not work properly, so there's need for you to get an air compressor to get it running properly. This has been removed. The top of the pressing board has been removed. This is the heating element. This is one of the supply, and this is another supply. This is the vacuum line. This cylinder, this particular cylinder, you can see the seal. The seal is broken and is bad, so it needs to be replaced. So I'll be disassembling this place and removing this cylinder so as to get it replaced. And that is the reason why this top is opened. This element heats up whatever moisture that is here and dry up the water all together and makes the board to be heated up from below while the operator press on this, continue to carry out his pressing activities on top of the board. For you to work on this type of equipment, you must have basic electricity understanding, or else you may not be able to work on it. Basic electricity understanding or training, and this type of equipment must be handled by a well-qualified technician to get the proper work done. You can see this is the cylinder. This is the air cylinder. It's a pneumatic cylinder. This control valve, this control elbow is broken and need to be removed. Then secondly, look at the seal. The seal is bad. You can see. It's very, very bad. So whenever there's a supply from this terminal, the air leaks out from here because the seal is bad. So it needs to be replaced.